In previous video, we discussed question till 5 number. So coming to 6 number question, parasexual phenomenon was discovered in. Here the answer is option number B, Aspergillus nidulans. Number B. Then coming to second question, which of the following is called as an pin mole? So here the answer is option B, mucor. Then the Saccharomyces is known as baker's yeast, or the Aspergillus is known as pink mole. So here is the major part. We need to remember the important part. Pin mole is the mucor is known as pin mole, but the Aspergillus is known as pink pink mole. Coming to question number 8, yeast. Yeast is a yeast is a unicellular organism. The answer is option number C. Coming to question 9, mosaic pattern on the leaves are caused by the infection of. So the options are bacterium, nematode, virus and fungi. Mosaic pattern on the leaves. So it is a virus regarded disease. So the answer is option C. Coming to question number 10. 10 June. Again plant disease related question. Citrus canker is caused by a bacterium known as Xanthomonas citri. So here the answer is option A, bacterium. So the bacterium caused that citrus canker disease named Xanthomonas citri. Coming to question number 11, the pathogen causing rust of wheat producers spores of. So the rust of wheat is caused by Basidiomycetes group named Puccinia graminis. It is a Basidiomycetes and also known as macrocyclic fungus. The macrocyclic fungus that produce more than 2 spores. So it is the Puccinia graminis produce 5 type of spores. So answer is option number C. Then coming to question number 12, lemon-shaped sporangium with distinct papilla is characteristic. So the lemon-shaped sporangium with a distinct papilla is a characteristic picture of. Here the answer is option B, Phytophthora. We need to remember that the Phytophthora is called lead blight of potato, class Omycetes, and the albigo cause white rust in wheat. And then question 13, single-stranded RNA helix is present in. So the answer is single-stranded RNA helix are present in TMB, option number C. We need to remember single-stranded RNA helix are present in HIV, polio, corona, and TMB viruses. Which of the following is a temperate phase? The answer is option C. Lambda phase is a temperate phase because the lambda phase is belong to the lysogenic life cycle. The lysogenic life cycle is known as temperate phase and the lytic cycle is known as non-temperate phase. Of question 15. Cyanobacteria differ from bacteria in. Here the answer is option D, evolution of oxygen, because the cyanobacteria can evolve the oxygen while the other bacteria cannot evolve oxygen. The question number 16, conjugation in bacteria was discovered by. The bacterial conjugation is discovered by Leatherbuck and Tatum in 1946, option number A, and the Avery and McCarthy in 1944 and discovered as DNA as a genetic material. DNA as material. Griffith in 1928 conduct transformation experiment. Then so question number 30, partial diploids in bacteria occurs after option number C, transformation. Question number 18, mucopeptide present in the cell wall of bacterium is a polymer made up of NAG, NAM, and beta-1,4 glycosidic linkages. So here all these three are present in option A. So answer is option A. Coming to question number 19. Question number 19. Gram-negative bacteria are unable to retain the gram stain because here the answer is option B, high level of lipid content, because the gram-negative bacteria having higher level of lipid content than the gram-positive bacteria. Question number 20. Which of the following is an archaea? Here the answer is option A, Halobacterium. Then coming to another option, the Salmonella is a eubacteria. The Pseudomonas is a eubacteria. The Clostridium is also a eubacteria. Coming to question number 21, which of the following is an aquatic bryophyte? Here the aquatic bryophyte is Riccia fluitans. Riccia fluitans is aquatic bryophyte, and the sphagnum species, the Markansia, and the Anthopteros species are terrestrial. Question number 22. Which of the following bryophyte has symbiotic association with blue-green alga? So, the Anthopteros have the symbiotic association with blue-green algae, nostoc. The answer is option B. 23. Which of the following is referred as a bog moss? So the bog moss is known as sphagnum. The sphagnum is known as the bog moss. Coming to options number C, sphagnum. Then who was a bryologist among the following? Uh, the R.N. Singh is a algologist. The M.O.P. Ranger is known as the father of Indian psychology. Father of Indian psychology. Then the Birbal Sahani is a paleobotanist. The S.R. Kashyap or Shivram Kashyap is known as the bryologist. Just question number 25. Anthocyrus may be collected from. The anthocyrus are known as the anthocyrus. The anthocyrus is known as bryophytes. Bryophytes. So in India, the anthocyrus or bryophytes are collected from the most case in Western Himalayas. So answer is option B. Which of the following is called as restoration plant? The restoration plant is known as Silaginella. The Silaginella is known as the restoration plant. So the restoration plants have the following characteristics. They can survive in low water content. Restoration plant can survive in low water content. Question number 27. Glossopodium is related with. So first of all, we need to know what a glossopodium is. The glossopodium are small leaf-like structure of Silaginella. Glossopodium. Glossopodium are small leaf-like structure of Silaginella. So here the small leaf structure of Silaginella is also known as the ligule. The answer is option A. Ligule of Silaginella. Question number 28. Sporocarps are associated with. So the sporocarps are associated with Marsillia. Answer is option B. The option number C, the equisetum is known as horsetail and the Silaginella is known as spike moth. So we need to remember the special characteristics or names. Question number 29. The amphiphloic siphonostyly is the characteristic feature of. The answer is option A. ES ribosome of Marsillia. Coming to question number 30. The seed known by the name of chilgoza that is used as a dry fruit belong to Pinus gardiana. So we will cover from the 31 question in the next video. Please do like and subscribe to my channel.